Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add AI to Obsidian and turn your vault into a smart assisted workspace where you can brainstorm, write, and organize faster than ever before. We're going to install the Copilot Community plugin directly inside Obsidian, set it up properly, and look at how it fits into your everyday note-taking workflow. No external tools, no complicated setup, just a clean upgrade to your existing system. Start by opening Obsidian on your computer and make sure the vault you want to use is open. Think of your vault as the home where all your notes live, so this is where your AI assistant will also live. If you use multiple vaults, pick the one where writing or projects matter most to you. Once you're inside, look to the bottom left corner of the app and click the Settings gear icon. This is your control center for everything in Obsidian: appearance, files, and especially plugins. If you don't see it right away, slightly widen your window so the sidebar is fully visible. Inside Settings, find Community Plugins from the left panel. This is where Obsidian lets you extend its core features using tools built by the community. These plugins are what transform Obsidian from a simple notes app into a full productivity system. If this is your first time here, Obsidian may ask you to enable community plugins. Go ahead and allow it so you can continue. Just keep in mind that these are third-party tools, so it's always smart to install only what you actually need. Next, click Browse to open the plugin marketplace. You'll see a searchable list of tools made for all kinds of workflows. In the search bar, type Copilot. This is the plugin we're going to use to bring AI assistance directly into your notes. You may see a few similar results, so take a second to choose the official Copilot plugin with active updates and clear documentation. Open its page so you can quickly review what it does. You'll notice it's designed to help with writing, brainstorming, and interacting with your notes using AI. When you're ready, click Install. Obsidian will download the plugin into your vault. Once installation is complete, click Enable. This step is important. Installing adds it, but enabling actually turns it on inside your workspace. Right after enabling, you may see a prompt asking if you want to add recommended commands and example prompts. These are pre-built AI instructions that show you how Copilot works in real situations, like summarizing ideas, drafting outlines, or refining your writing without leaving Obsidian. If anything doesn't show up immediately, a quick restart of Obsidian usually fixes it. And if you ever want to change or remove the plugin, you can always go back into Settings and manage it under Community Plugins. That's it. You've successfully added AI to Obsidian using the Copilot plugin, enabled it, and set up ready-to-use prompts inside your vault. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.